In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin WhatsApp Web to the taskbar. If you use WhatsApp Web often, turning it into an app and keeping it pinned on your taskbar can make it much faster to open every day. Instead of going through your browser each time, you'll have a quick shortcut ready with just one click. This is especially useful if you use WhatsApp for work, school, or regular daily communication. To begin, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and make sure the page has fully loaded. Once you're on the site, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This will open the main browser options. From that menu, look for the section called Cast, Save, and Share. When that opens, choose the option that says Install Page as App. This tells the browser to create a standalone app version of WhatsApp Web, so it behaves more like a regular desktop application rather than just another browser tab. That can help keep things organized and make it easier to switch between programs. After you select that option, the app should install in just a moment. Once it opens, you will notice it launches in its own window. In many cases, it may automatically appear on the taskbar right away. If that happens, you're already most of the way done. If it does not stay pinned automatically, don't worry. While the WhatsApp app window is open, go down to the taskbar and find its icon. Then right-click on the app icon. On some Windows versions, you may need to click Show More Options to see the full menu. After that, select Pin to Taskbar. That will keep WhatsApp Web pinned to your taskbar so it stays there even after you close it. The next time you want to use it, you can launch it directly from the taskbar without opening your browser first and searching for the website again. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the pin option, make sure you're right-clicking the active app icon on the taskbar and not a browser icon from a separate window. That small detail can make a difference. And that's it. Once pinned, WhatsApp Web becomes much easier to access, and your workflow can feel a lot smoother.